Hey beautiful friends, welcome to Casa Naturals. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a gentle micellar water or cleanser. So if this is your first time on my channel, click on that subscribe red button and subscribe today. So make sure that you hit the bell for notifications, so every time I post you'll be notified. So we are going to use distilled water, 1 gram of distilled water, 15 hibiscus water, 15 grams of aloe juice, 2 grams cucumber extract, 3 grams glycerin, 3 grams decyglucoside, 1 gram preservative, and 1 gram grape seed oil. So now we are going to use this beaker. So what we are going to do, in fact I had weighed already my ingredients. So now we are going to combine together water, hibiscus, aloe vera juice, glycerin, cucumber extract. Now, you have to make sure that you whisk slowly and you add the decyglucoside and whisking slowly until it's fully incorporated in other ingredients. So blending too vigorously will make a lot of foam. So make sure that you blend gently and then you add your preservative of choice and whisk up other ingredients. When fully homogenized, it means that it is ready, and then you pour your micellar water into a bottle of choice. Glucoside is a surfactant and active cleansing ingredient. It is actually non-ionic. And then our hibiscus also, it's easy to find and it's very moisturizing and very inexpensive. So aloe liquid has inflammatory properties. It has been known as very good at dealing with skin burn or sunburn and other skin conditions. And glycerin is a humectant. It helps draw moisture to the skin. So actually you don't need a lot. And we are also cucumber extract is very soothing and hydrating and has antioxidant properties that can help reduce puff, eyes, and cucumber are very gentle on the skin, such that it will make your skin look supple and smooth. Used distilled water. Well, I guess you can boil your water first and use that. I prefer to use distilled water to protect against any unwanted microbials as well as other unknown things that can be found in water. Yeah, so now at this point we have blended and we are adding in 1% of our lavender essential oil, just for a good smell or aroma. And then you make sure that you preserve it. So we are going to blend slowly. You don't want a lot of foam. So now, like this micellar water actually can work nearly for everyone, but the best way to use it is like in the morning when you don't have makeup on your face. So like you just gently wipe your face using a cotton. We are going to demonstrate how you can use it. So it's very, very gentle and very good for the skin. So now at this point we are done blending and it looks so lovely. So now at this point, you have to make sure that you preserve your product because you don't want any microbials to start crawling in your product. So we are adding 1% of our natural preservative. I'm going to link all the ingredients in the description box below. You can check them out at your own convenient time. So now you have to make sure that you blend again so that that preservative is well blended into your product. So blend. So we are done. So at this point now we are getting a clean sterilized jar and our funnel. So we are transferring our micellar water. You know what? I'm super excited, dear friends, because I'd been wanting to make this video actually. It's been 2-3 months like I've been procrastinating. So now finally I'm happy because we have done it. It looks so beautiful. So now make sure that you close it. In fact, a pump bottle is very convenient. So that's the reason why we went for a pump bottle. That is how it looks like. So lovely. Are you going to make this? Yes. So now, like, we are going to use some cotton balls or cosmetic cotton balls or pads to cleanse our face. So moist a cotton pad or a cotton cloth with micellar water and gently wipe it across your face. So now you have to wipe until you see no remain of dairy or makeup coming off onto the cotton. So like, don't rub but wipe gently. So look, there's still some kind of dairy. Of course, I'm not a big fan of makeup, so you have to make sure that you go in with another cotton pad just to make sure that there's no any dairy remaining on your face. And like, if you feel that your skin feels some kind of sticky, if you don't like the feeling, you can actually rinse with some water. But I didn't find anything challenging or was well. Thank you so much for watching this video.